Today we'll see the block concept in Scratch application. So, my block is nothing but if you want to create your own block, that is customized blocks. So this is the my block. Okay, my block in Scratch is similar to the functions in some other languages, where we can create our own set of instructions and which is going to perform the certain actions, and that functions is going to be called wherever we require. In the similar way, we are going to create our own block, that is customized block, and we will call it whenever we want. So how we are going to create the my block? So just an example. Okay, first click on the my block in the block palette. Click on make a block. So make a block. Here you have to give the block name. This my block, when you are going to create the block, your own block, it will accept the 3 parameters. So as the add an input, which can be either in terms of number or text, means you can enter either the number or text. Next, boolean, that is like checking the conditions. Next one is add label, which is similar to the text which is there in the add an input. But the main difference between the add a text, that is a label, and the add an input is the label which we can't edit it, but the text, that is this is the text box which we can edit it. Okay, so here in the add input, so which enables the user to enter either number, means both the number or the text, both we can enter. Here only we can enter the text. Run without screen refresh, means without refreshing the screen. If you want to if you want to execute the program, we will make use of the this. We are going, if you want check mark, if you checked it, means run without refreshing the screen. Now start the example. Give the block name, appropriate block name. Okay, just consider demo. Next we want add an input. What input? Forward. Next one more, backward. Next change. So I'll explain all these, why we are making use of the FWD, BWD and change as a parameter name. Okay. Click on OK. So define, this is the my block. Define. What you are going to define? Like how you are going to define the function. Function, the name of the function is here demo. The name of the my block is demo, which accept 3 parameters: forward, backward, change. So for which sprite we are writing? Cat1, that is a cat sprite. And when we are going to make a block, it will like empty, that is here the place where we are going to like enter the actual values. This is the formal parameter values, these are the actual values we are going to pass here. Now what are the actions is going to be performed here? Here next, move, control, then move. Okay, so one for forward movement of the cat, another for backward movement. For forward, just drag and drop it over. For backward means it has to go 10 steps front and again it has to come back the specified number of steps backward. So you have to make use of this 0 minus backward, how many steps it has to come back. Next, make use of the change. Control, if change, something happened, if it is been touched by the mouse pointer. Something should occur. So what to occur? Just an example. Next costume. So this is the body of that function, that is the my block body is being created. Now we want to pass the actual values. When these actual values should pass, when we click on the green flag button. So event, when certain event should occur, then this action is going to be performed here. So which event should trigger? Click on event when green flag button is been clicked. So drag and drop the green flag, drag and drop the values that we are going to pass. That is the my block where we are going to pass the actual values. So forward, make the 100 steps, move back the 2 steps, backward 2 steps. Okay. Next, color should get changed if distance to pointer is greater than 50. So color should get changed. Next costume. Now check. Yeah. Next costume it's been. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Because the distance to the pointer is greater than 50. That's why it is changing the next costume. So this is about the my block concept in the Scratch application. The my block is similar to the function. This we can consider as the function body. This is called as the calling function. This is called function. We are going to call this. Okay. So this is about the my block in Scratch application. Thank you. Our channel is Scratch Tutorials. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.